Today we will be talking about the DuraComfort Smart Portable Air Conditioner, a versatile cooling solution designed to keep your space comfortable all year round. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this portable air conditioner in the description below at the latest price. The DuraComfort Smart Portable Air Conditioner stands out by combining three essential functions: cooling, fan, and dehumidifying in one energy-efficient unit. This 3-in-1 operation makes it ideal for a variety of climates and needs, providing cooling during hot days, circulating air as a fan when extra airflow is needed, and removing excess moisture to improve indoor air quality and comfort. The unit features a bucketless, self-evaporating design, which means no manual draining is required, reducing maintenance and making it hassle-free for daily use. Installation is simple thanks to the inclusion of all window kits and a fast connector design. No additional tools are necessary, and users can easily set up the air conditioner in any room within minutes. Its compact dimensions and built-in handles paired with four 360-degree caster wheels make it highly portable, allowing for smooth movement between rooms without lifting or heavy effort. With a cooling capacity of 12,000 BTU, this model is powerful enough to effectively cool spaces up to 350 square feet, making it suitable for bedrooms, small living rooms, or office spaces. The dual-motor system enhances cooling performance while maintaining energy efficiency and reducing operational noise, so you get excellent airflow without disturbing your peace. The noise level is rated at a quiet 51 decibels, which is comparable to a soft conversation, allowing for undisturbed work, sleep, or relaxation. The Follow Me function adds smart convenience by turning the remote control into a portable thermostat. This means the air conditioner can sense the temperature around the remote's location, enabling more precise and personalized cooling control. The LED display on the top of the unit features easy-to-read controls, including a 24-hour timer, so you can program your air conditioner to operate according to your daily schedule and preferences. Additionally, the DuraComfort unit runs on environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and operates on a standard 115-volt power supply, making it suitable for typical household electrical setups. Its white finish gives it a clean and modern look that blends well with any decor style. In summary, the DuraComfort Smart Portable Air Conditioner offers a practical and efficient solution to beat the heat with added functions to improve air quality. Whether you need powerful cooling, moisture control, or a quiet fan, this model delivers all three in a user-friendly package that's easy to move and install. Its smart features and energy-efficient design make it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance comfort in smaller living spaces.